November 2008, the world was ending. Trillion vanished overnight, but Red Leo, he sat on $100 billion cash. While others begged for bailout, he bought the dip. Today, that patient made Bridgewater the world's biggest hedge fund. Cash wasn't dead money, cash was his weapon. In today's obsession with the crypto rocket and AI stock, cash get called trash, dead weight, inflation's enemy. But that lie, billionaires never believe. Cash doesn't just survive chaos, it thrives in it. Here, why it is more powerful than you have been told. Market move in waves. Euphoria pump prices to nosebleed level. Fear crashes them to fire sale territory. During euphoria, everyone in. During fear, liquidity vanishes. Seller flood the exit. Buyer disappear. That's your moment. Cash let you soup in 50% discount. Post 2008, cash rich investor grab home for pennies. By 2012, those same properties triple in value. Warren Buffett called cash oxygen. Invisible until you need it to breathe. No waiting for stock sales, no broker fee, no margin call. Just pure instant purchasing power. When blood in the street, your brain betrays you under pressure. A 20% portfolio drop trigger cortisol flood. Clouding judgment, studies show investors sell low, buy high. Exactly backward because emotion hijack logic. Cash break that cycle. It's mental Kevlar. No red portfolio days. No FOMO tweet. Just cold clarity. Psychologists call this as an endowment effect. You value what you controlled. Cash, total control. Ray Dalio didn't just hold the cash in 2008. He slept with the cash. Psychological age separates survivor from bag holder. Forget market. Cash rewrite your reality. Friend startup need $15,000. Done. Dream house 20% off in downtown. Your toxic job. Quit today. Apple hold $200 billion cash, not for interest but optionality. When COVID hit, they didn't scramble for loan. They pivoted to mass, brought startup, dominated e-commerce. Cash didn't sit idle. It fueled empire expansion. But inflation, they cry through. Cash loses 2 to 3% yearly, but timing Trump erosion. Deploy $1 million cash at 50% discount during crashes. You have doubled purchasing power instantly. No 7% S&P average touches that. Since 1980, 5 major crashes handed cash holder 2 to 4x return versus market averages. Special pays, inflation, mosquito bite compared to crash discount. Sovereign control. Ultimate cash means independence. No begging bank. No forced sale. No landlord leverage. You dictate term. In 2020, COVID crash. Cash king bought Bitcoin at $4,000. Tesla at $80. Today, life-changing wealth. While leveraging speculator blew up. The new cash king. Smart money knows cash isn't anti-growth. It's strategic growth. Billionaire hold 20 to 40% cash. Not from stupidity but asymmetric advantage. So what your cash percentage, 3-month expenses. Child's play. The real player hold 12 to 24 month firepower. Not to spend, to deploy. Cash isn't dead, it's dominant. Your move.